I'm Melissa.
And I'm Paige.
And we're the Hot Mamas.
I can already feel a hiccup coming.
Alright. Okay, I'm gonna roll now. Oh, there's a hiccup. Alright, so I got 0, 2, 0. Okay. Oh my, look at that's a death ball. That is a lot. I'm gonna do that one first, probably by itself, and then I'll try for 3. Okay, ready? Hip up more in that last one.
I had my hiccup.
There's one.
I honestly expected it earlier.
Me too. I thought you were gonna get it before. I have one stuck in my tooth.
That's awful.
It is, because every time I touch it with my tongue to get it off,
I'm gonna cry.
it is more flavor. Oh, I'm literally just like streaming tears. Just streaming tears. That is definitely hot. I can't believe how sweet it was. That was nasty. I think that them making it sweet made it worse, like flavor-wise.
Yeah, what made you think that? Why would you do that?
Yeah, it was like those pepper jelly beans. Like, do not.
There it is.
There's those hiccups.
I tell you, those hiccups get me.
I mean, it only came with 1 piece. So I almost wonder if you were supposed to eat the whole piece to yourself. We did not do that.
Oh, I don't think I did.
Yeah, we split it between the 2 of us. I just thought it was jerky. I didn't realize it was a challenge. But yeah, the first ingredient on this is beef, then brown sugar, teriyaki sauce, mashed Carolina Reaper peppers. That's what I'm saying. It was like really like a powder.
Yeah.
It was like an actual like thing of powder on it, and vinegar. Oh, there's triad scorpion pepper in this as well. So it's got the scorpion and the Reaper. Cayenne, habanero, pineapple juice. Like I said, I can really taste the pineapple in that. Like really taste the pineapple in it.
Oh man, I'm really curious to see.
Aromatic acid, ghost pepper. I could not taste any ghost pepper in that. I tasted the pineapple. I tasted the peppers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it just feels like every sweater. I can feel it. There it is.
So at least it's starting to go away. It's not hitting my stomach like the Reaper did. I mean, I'm not loving it, but it's not hitting my stomach like the Reaper did.
I'm concentrating.
I still have the burn on my tongue, but it doesn't feel like a whole mouth burn like it did. But I'm salivating a lot.
Me too. I swallowed it. Please start that timer right now.
Oh no, the hiccups have came.
Oh shit.
It's okay if we can't make it. Ooh. Yep, I'm feeling it. My mouth is so watery. I think I got one stuck in my tooth too. Ooh. That is spicy. Are you okay? That is spicy. I am tearing up.
Did you hear it?
I heard the hiccup.
Okay, it's down.
All right, 5 minutes. Yep. It's building. My eyes are tearing up.
This, I think if a midlife crisis had a flavor,
Yeah.
because I'm regretting my decisions.
Oh my gosh, your hiccups are so bad. I am definitely getting a lot of saliva going on. Excuse me.
Woo, it hurts to breathe.
Yeah, spicy.
It said 5 minutes, not 5 years.
Right.
It felt like 5 years.
I think we've gone down like 30 seconds. The chewing.
I can feel it in my ears.
I mean, it is spicy, but it had some flavor to it. It had a little bit of sweetness. They definitely added sugar because it didn't just taste like peppers. And there was like a tang to it, so I don't know what that was supposed to be.
I don't know how you talk so easily right now.
You're like, shut up, Melissa, let me,
Oh, it hurts to talk.
let me die over here.
Fun challenge for you. Count how many hiccups I had.
Like, subscribe,
Comment down below.
and as always, stay spicy.